Good morning and welcome back to the Audiofile-Incar. Haven't shot a video for a little while, so we thought we better shoot one so you can see what we've been up to. And this is an absolutely beautiful Aston Martin that we've just completed a big sound system in. So we do quite a few of these, as you'll see from our YouTube channel. They're based on a Mercedes, or the infotainment is based on a Mercedes platform. So normally, these would come in with a hi-fi in them already. Customers generally dissatisfied with the upgraded hi-fi, and we add our pack to it. So that would consist of Hertz Mille Legend freeway front components, which is a bit tricky, but they're beautiful when they're in. Significant amount of soundproofing in the doors, replacing the factory subwoofer with a JL Audio subwoofer and reinforcing the enclosure. And then we add an amplifier of a DSP. But actually this car came to us with bass audio, so it doesn't have a most output or a fibre optic output from the hedge in it, so we're working analog in here, and it's worked extremely well. So as always, the Mille freeway front set, so you've got your 6.5 inch woofer, which is based back down there in the kick well. You've got your mid-range in the door, and you've got your tweeter underneath the factory grill on the top of the dash. Quite tricky to change that. We've had to fabricate a special tool for them now to make life just a little bit easier. This car, because it had bass audio, had no subwoofer at all, but we've gone to the OEM location. There's not a lot of light in there, I'm afraid, sorry about that. And we've fabricated an 18mm thick enclosure behind there and installed a W3 8-inch JL Audio woofer. So that's in the factory location, although this was just an empty space there. And then coming around to the boot of the car, I'll show you the powerhouse and the processor of the system. Just whip in there. And we've got the JL Audio VXi 808, so that's an 8-channel amplifier with an inbuilt DSP. It packs a serious punch, and the processor is very powerful, very flexible. That allows us to do a lot of clever stuff, summing together the outputs from the factory radio so we can sort everything out and re-amplify, re-time, align, and retune the system to suit the car. So 2 of the channels are actually bridged to run the subwoofer. The other 6 channels run the front end in a fully active format. And very little space taken up, as you can see. You can't quite hide the amplifier anywhere. It does have to sit in the boot. And there's some of the boxes. There's the Mille boxes there. So there you go. That just summarises the system in some detail, hopefully. It's an absolutely amazing sound. I wish I could demonstrate it to you, but unfortunately I can't. It's a system that really suits the car. When it came in with the bass audio, it was really awful. I mean, really, really awful. So customer's just about to pick this up. Hopefully he'll be just as blown away with it as we were when we set it up and tuned it. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, and you could hit that little bell icon for notifications. That way you won't miss any of our exciting videos.